And so now I am heading into Ballarat Wildlife Park, which is actually just 5 minutes from Sovereign Hill. But today is the day after. I didn't want to have to rush. So we're just heading in now. I'm excited. I do like animals, and they've got different shows, different feedings, different encounters. So it's going to be a good day.
Leaving a single mob together. They are very social animals, and sitting at the top of that mob is a dominant couple, consisting of a dominant male and a dominant female.
I don't know if you can hear me over the presentations going on behind, but one of the fun things about here is that they have free range, free roaming kangaroos that you can feed. So it's $4 for a bag of food, and yes, it's something I remember doing as a kid, and I'm very excited to do it. Just feed a kangaroo, why not?
So gentle. It's just so fluffy. It's just so fluffy. It's all fluff just taking people like
So you're just allowed to walk around. Would you like a little bit of food? I'm sorry, I'm back. Okay, I'm coming back. Oh, big one's coming. You've had yours. You're there. Oh, guns. You are so good. All that time in South America. Oh, you are a hungry Horace. Hi. Hi, yes, I have something for you. I don't think I've been so happy. Look at your face. Did you know on this last bit?
These guys are also called fairy penguins, or little blue penguins. Does anyone want to take a guess at why they're called little blue penguins? When we think of penguins, where do we usually think of them living? You can yell it out. Out in the ocean. These guys you'll find all along the south coast of Australia, as well as around Tasmania and New Zealand. And right here in Victoria, the best places to find them is over at Phillip Island, which is that picture behind us.
There's no such thing as too much footage, right? So there are currently 38 koalas here. Oh.
Is a pretty impressive creature. In next to him, in here we have Akasha today. So Akasha is actually Kai's sister. She's a little bit younger, and she is a little bit smaller. Weather like this, we may not see her today, but we get to have a very good, nice close-up look at Kai, which is awesome. So both of our tigers are a cross between a Sumatran and a Siberian tiger. His tail, just make sure that he is looking healthy. So this is our visual health check. Also at the back we can do some training with him. So if we wanted to look at his underside, we might ask him to go up. We might ask him to go down, which I think Will did earlier. We do run tiger encounters here. It is always 100% the choice of our tiger if they would like to participate or not. Some days he does, some days he doesn't. But like I said, you don't make a 160 kilo tiger do anything he doesn't want to do.
Oh, I enjoyed that. I do really like a tiger. And watching them feed is just, wow. They're huge. Thanks to these guys. You're gonna come out. He's hiding as a crocodile. Tree kangaroo. You can smell it, can't you?
I thought it was a vicious thing. Because its mouth has got a second actually.
And what they'll do, they'll all smell that from about 2 kilometres away, so they got a really good nose. And so even though they're devils, they are solitary animals, they do live by themselves. They'll all smell that dead animal all together, and they'll run across, and they'll all run over and eat the carcass together as well. And then they'll go their separate ways again.
So throughout the day there are different talks that you can go listen to about every hour, but it's worth having a look and planning your visit because they have different talks on a weekday as the weekend. So the crocodile encounter is only on weekends, so have a look. But they start quite early, and you've got meerkats, penguins, tigers, reptiles. That's where I'm heading now.
Hi, Dad. Dad.
And that's what you can see.
Hi, Dad.
And that's how big he is.
The water. And we've also got some little mice in there as well, just to make them want to actually get through the ice to lick it as well. So we've got some red meat for them and some chicken. We also have some doggy kibble as well. And the doggy kibble just helps all canines with any extra nutrients that they need, especially as they get older. So there's a lot of them breeding with wild dogs, but our dingoes here, they're all pure dingoes. So the mum and dad, they were DNA tested when they first came here. We've realised how important dingoes are for the ecosystem. So being the apex predator, it's really their job to take care of the whole ecosystem of Australia. So they even limit the number of kangaroos so they don't wipe out the grasslands. The other side of that dingo fence that doesn't have dingoes in, there's been a lot of animals that have actually gone extinct, and that's because they were just in that area. So there's too many feral cats that are hunting down native birds, native lizards, and even the rabbits as well. They're all out of control, so they've actually affected the ground underneath all the land as well with all the holes. And even the foxes, they're spreading mange to all the wombats there as well. And it's a completely different story to this side of the fence where dingoes are as well. So they are very important.
So after listening to all the presentations today and having a drink in the cafe and taking 6 million photos of koalas, it is time to call it a day. So I will see you in the next one as I head to the Great Ocean Road. See you there.